Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, first of all, adoption under immigration law means that the adoption has to be finalized prior to the 16th birthday. That doesn't mean 16 years and 3 days. It doesn't mean 16 and a half. It means prior to the 16th birthday. Now, you say they're under 18, but does that mean they're under 16? If they're above 16, not a chance. Secondly, you have to look and see if your country is on the Hague Convention list. If it is on the Hague Convention list, then you can't just do a normal adoption, okay? It has to go through the Hague Convention, and that takes a terribly long time and is incredibly expensive, but that's what you would have to do. You put this comment as a comment to my SIJ video, Special Immigrant Juvenile Petition. And that would be the way to go in the first place, not necessarily asylum. I mean, they're from Peru. And while, each country has their own individualized problems, and people can apply for asylum from whatever country if they qualify, I don't know how they would qualify. I mean, I understand that they're young and that they're in the U.S., but chances are, if you ask them why they came to the U.S. and why they are applying for asylum, they're probably going to say because their parents wanted them to have a better life and they have nowhere to work and they don't have any money. So that's not a valid basis for asylum if that's the case. I mean, obviously, if they have a good asylum case and it's they can show persecution and fear of future persecution and that they're being persecuted by one of the 5 grounds of, authorized by law. That's one thing. But assuming that's not the thing, and assuming that you're asking me if you can adopt them anyway. So chances are, because they're here and you already asked that, their parents are probably willing to legally abandon them so that they could apply for the SIJ petition. And if the SIJ petition works, they get the green card. So why wouldn't they do that? Also, just because they're applying for asylum doesn't mean they can't also apply for SIJ, because the timeline is very quick with them. They could age out of that at no time. Okay?